Hello and welcome to everyone who likes StarCraft 2 and turn-based games. And this is my second video regarding to mode called Tactical Pulse Simple. In my previous video I explained how it works, how to play it, what are the rules for multiplayer games, and explained how to start multiplayer games with this mode active. And I promised that I'm going to tell you about how to start campaign made by Blizzard or some fan-made campaign for StarCraft 2 with this mod active. And if we are talking about Blizzard-made campaign, there is issue with it because actually Blizzard does not allow any mods in official campaigns, but luckily there is plenty of remakes for Blizzard-made campaigns. For example, let's see for 0 hour mission of Wings of Liberty campaign. It's a fourth mission of this campaign. There are plenty of remakes which slightly modify vanilla gameplay or does not alter it in any way. It just remake for being able to play with some mod you want to play it with, and this is perfect example of such remake. And I'm gonna to create it with mod Tactical Pulse Simple. Here we go, create lobby. And go. And we are going to play 0 hour with Tactical Pulse Simple. But actually there is a catch here, because all campaign missions is controlled by a certain set of scripts called triggers in StarCraft 2 editor, which specifies some story related conditions like defeat condition, win condition, when some events happen, cinematics, or when enemy attack waves coming. And all these scripts use all kinds of timers itself to control when this events going to happen. And if we are playing it with Tactical Pulse Simple, we can pause, can see that all Tactical Pulse functions working. We can we can take orders, we can give orders, we can control units, gameplay is paused, and after we unpause, all works as intended. Marines go. Whenever I tell them. But you already maybe noticed that there is timer for evacuation, which still counts even if mission in pause. This is because Tactical Pulse Simple does not able to. It even does not know about timers used in triggers for this mission and unable to alter them in any way. So this mission does not work as intended with Tactical Pulse Simple, because you may just wait for 18 minutes and you automatically win, but you are not going to play actually, it's just pulse enabled. It's certainly not how we want it, and now I explain how we can solve this problem by slightly altering mission map file in editor. For StarCraft 2 engine, all missions have three types of timers. Some of them are more or less related to real time, but there are one certain type of timer called AI time, which is more related to game specific time, and actually if we are not able to alter real time in StarCraft 2 editor, but we are able to alter this AI time. Let's open our mission from Blizzard. Okay, open it in editor. And what I'm gonna do is just went to triggers and alternate all triggers. It's just one change for all triggers, replacement all. And I'm gonna replace preset called time value, time type. So instead of there are three types of time, instead of game type, all triggers, gonna use this pausable AI time. Replace all. As you see, there's plenty of replaced here. And that's all. We can save it. Save it to maps. 0 hour. Okay. This is a version of map which compatible with tactical pulse simple, and I gonna to upload it into Battle.net again, so I will be able to play it in StarCraft 2 client. I changed the name because it's some custom remake of this remake. This is private for me because I just made it for me. Next. Okay. And here we go. Let's play it. So the first way of playing it, it's just upload it to Battle.net and create a game using standard StarCraft 2 interface. Slightly later, I'm gonna tell you about second way to play custom missions, running them from editor itself. But for now, let's create mini game. To simplify things, I'm gonna to search in my published maps. This one. Create lobby. Oh no, sorry. There's a mistake here. Actually, I should not create lobby, I should create with mod. And navigate tactical. All simple, create lobby. Start game. And this version of map already compatible with tactical pulse simple. This one simple change made it compatible because actually now everywhere in the mission triggers using everywhere in mission triggers used AI time which tactical pulse simple able to pulse, and now whenever we pause the game, it will be paused totally, including all mission related stuff like enemy waves are not going to come and so on. Timer not going to count. Oh, it's stuck here, and it's possible, happens from time to time. I made some kind of override in tactical pause simple to be able to solve this kind of situation. If it happens, just press your key for tactical pause one time, second time, and maybe it will be enough to solve stack problem. Not sure at 100% cases solution. Maybe you will not be able to unstack mission this way, but most of the time it's working. So now mission starts just as it normally do, but we can use tactical pause simple. Let's see. Pause, as you can see, evacuation time, pause it to, and I can give orders. Let's, for example, build some bunker here. Then you go here. You're going to build here, and then go to mining again. You are going here. You are going here, and let's look. I disable pause, and all my orders going to be executed. Everything works just fine, and now mission events only going to happen when it should happen. Nothing happens while I pause. Nothing. But now timer counts, and there will be event soon about the marines stuck here. While waiting, let's have some fun.
Here they come! Lock and load! Gangway, coming
Our SCVs are under attack.
To anyone hearing this message, we're
Here we are.
down near Backwater Station. Please assist. Armed and ready.
This works as intended. Okay, and now I'm going to show you another way of starting custom missions with tactical pause simple using editor at strictly single player way. Okay, let's start editor, and now I'm going to adopt a mission from popular mode StarCraft Mass Recall. And play it with tactical pauses. Alright. I downloaded it already. It's here in my local files. Let's take Zerg campaign and open it. Because I'm not going to play it in StarCraft 2 client, I mean not going created from StarCraft 2 client, I need add one additional step to the things I've done before. Let me show you. It's takes some time for open because mod's pretty heavy. Okay, now we have it. The first one step is similar. We're gonna to replace all game time with AI time, just as we did for previously. It's preset time preset time type, changing from game type to AI time. You may be asking why I'm not replacing real time, because actually most of the map makers using real time for cinematics, and probably it's not going to alter gameplay in any way if you leave real time as is. But game time is frequently used for some gameplay events, so game time we need to change. And replace all, 24 replacement, that's done. And the last thing I'm going to do to add dependency for tactical pulse simple, assuming I already downloaded it, for example, from sk to maps.com, and have it in my local mode folder. I'm gonna to edit from local files, tactical pulse. Okay, okay. Save. And just gonna click test document here. StarCraft 2 automatically starts with our mission loading. There is a mission from first StarCraft campaign where you're going to protect Kerrigan chrysalid until it hatch, and there are timer either. That's why I choose choose it this one mission to make it more obvious that tactical pulse simple works as intended. We must what I expect to see that timer gonna pause when we switch to tactical pulse mode. Okay, let's start. No briefing for us. It's not important. Can I skip the cinematic? Oh yeah, I can. And as you can see, there is timer until Kerrigan going to appear here, and I may pause. Now in pause mode, I may give order. Another one. Let's try some recon here, here, and everything works fine. Okay, perfectly fine. And the last thing I'm going to show you about how to change defaults if you are playing in StarCraft 2 editor. If you're launching mission from StarCraft 2 editor, because when you are creating a game, when you're creating game in StarCraft 2 itself, oh, cancel. I already have one started. When you're creating game in StarCraft 2 itself, in lobby, you're able to change what key use for pauses and what max time of pause you have. But if you want to change, for example, key with this way of starting it, you may able to open tactical pause SK2 mode in editor, go into triggers, there is K to press. Default is grave, but you may change it to anything you want. And here, this is a place where default sets, and here too. So you may change, I don't know, what would be delete, and delete. Right. Just close it, hit save, and now you have your own tactical pause SK2 mode with defaults more appropriate for you. So you are able to start mission in editor and have whatever key you prefer. All right, that's all I had to say. Hope you like this new way of playing